Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you very simple workouts that can be done in a regular basis. These workouts are designed for all kinds of beginners, even if you have never done an exercise or if you are very busy. Let's start with these basic workouts.
Get a chair, stand in front of it and slowly sit down on the chair while your hands are forward and stand up slowly. Make sure your back is straight. Do this for 5 to 10 times. Place your feet slightly wide. Extend your hands straight out in front of you to help keep your balance. Sit back and down as if you are sitting in a chair. Lower down so your thighs are parallel to the ground. Press your weight back into your heels. You may do this for 5 to 10 times and be careful not to push yourself too hard. Kneel down with both hands under your shoulder and slowly lower your chest to the ground as much as you can. Slowly raise your chest or body back to the original position. You may do these push-ups for 5 to 10 times in a row. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Begin by moving into cow pose. Inhale as you drop your belly towards the mat. Lift your chin and chest and gaze upwards. Next, move into cat pose. As you exhale, draw your belly to your spine and round your back toward the ceiling. The pose should look like a cat stretching its back. Inhale, coming back into cow pose, and then exhale as you return to cat pose. Repeat 5 to 10 times and then rest by sitting back on your heels with your body upright. Be in the plank position. Draw right knee towards Right hand without lifting the hips up and slowly place it back to its original position. Do the same for left leg as well. Lie on your back on the floor with your knees bent and hands lying on the floor. Raise your hips so your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Pause for 2 to 3 seconds as you keep your core and continue to squeeze your glutes, then lower body back to the starting position.
Thank you all for your time, and I hope that you got some value out of this video. Now it is time to sign off. How was your workouts today? Please comment below. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy.